Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to keep pigeons off of your roof. Now, if you live in the city or you live in the country, pigeons can be a big problem, and they love to nest in your attic or in your carport or under the eaves and then hang out on the roof all day. So to get them away from your roof, you've got to figure out where they're nesting, because if they're nesting in the carport or underneath the eaves or in the attic, by removing any access to that area, they will not hang out on your roof as well. So make sure and put little wires on anywhere where they can sit. So on the top of your roof line too, by just putting nails on each end and a wire across, they can't sit right on the top. They might sit on the ledge or on the side, but they still can't hang out. Same under the carport. And the easiest way to remove them from your roof is to go up there and put red hot chili pepper, cayenne pepper, curry powder, anything really spicy, and sprinkle it all over the top of your roof. They don't like the smell of it and they will not hang out. And it'll eventually wash away, but a lot of times they do remember and they will leave. A lot of people swear by owl decoys because pigeons don't like owls. By having a decoy on the top of your roof, you can stop them from coming around. People have put automatic sprinklers up there that are motion activated. So if they go onto the roof, the sprinklers come on. But there's really no easy way to get rid of your pigeons. You can actually take the hose and spray them and scare them away here and there. But try this spice and try stopping them from nesting anywhere. And just by putting pins or picks or strings so they can't actually sit anywhere, that can help a lot. And then that way you can have your roof back without the pigeons.